What's your response to that?
I don't know what to. They would not even come even nearer to me because of there is procurement, there is HR. The people who will be.
Ahe, amukela ka channel ya hina ya Inside Central. Namuntlha hi ta kongoma ka Madlanga Commission of Inquiry la Sergeant Nkosi a va ri ku nyikeni ka vumbhoni tolo. Hi ta sungula hi topic leyi commission ya Madlanga yi nga vutisa Sergeant Nkosi ku vuxaka bya General Sibiya na General Mkhwanazi va byi tiva ku byi yime kwihi na. Laha Sergeant Fannie Nkosi va nga endla ngaku a va tivi nchumu until Commissioner Baloyi va n'wi trigger a hlamula swilo leswi a nga lavanga ku swi hlamula. A hi yingiseleni kandziyiso hi twa ku va heleli kwini.
Whether they get along very well, whether they avoid each other, what General Sibiya's view is of them, you would know that.
I don't think I got you clear, my commissioner. Can you repeat that?
What I'm saying to you is your answer that you don't know is not easy to understand because you are very close to General Sibiya, very, very close, work and personal relationships. So you would know how he's
loko ni ku va n'wi trigin Sergeant Nkosi ni vula hi mhaka ku Commissioner Baloyi va ri wena loko u hi nyika information yo a wu swi tivi ku va yime kwihi vuxaka bya vona a ku nge vi swilo leswi ni nga twisisaka hi ku wena u close na General Sibiya so ku na lexi u xi tivaku hi byeli. Laha a nga ti lumaluma a endla hi nga ri a nga tivi yo twa hi vanhu a ku vanhu van'wani va ri so a tikhoneni. A hi yingiseleni mbulavulo ya mahlweni.
Relationship is with General Khumalo and with the National Commissioner. I guess what I'm putting to you is it can be true that you don't know.
The reason that I'm saying I don't know, Commissioner, is I have not seen them both on the same office or the same place that not been getting along. I'm just avoiding to say something that I don't have proof of. I might have maybe heard, or maybe, most the rumors in the passages of the police. They will just talk these two are not getting along or they are pretending. So I don't want to mention that because the next question I will be asked, how did you know? Then when I say now from the passages, I don't have fact on that, but yes.
I'm happy for you to give an answer of what you've heard from the passages. So from the passages, what have you heard about the nature of the relationship?
As I just mentioned, I said the relationship is not that good. Sometimes it's good, sometimes it's not good. But I'll only say what General Sibiya told me.
Yes.
About his relationship with General Mkhwanazi, but he never mentioned his relationship with the National Commissioner.
Are you aware of an allegation that when Mr. Matlala's house was searched for Jerry Boshocha, that Jerry Boshocha had in fact been moved to Mr. Nangi's house? Are you aware of that allegation?
No.
Was General Sibiya aware that there were allegations against Mr. Matlala that he was involved in kidnapping?
Yes.
Why then would he invite you to send an inquiry about an alleged kidnapper to Mr. Matlala?
Can you repeat that question?
Why would he?
Ya ni heta Sergeant Nkosi la tshama khela u repeateliwa question. Sergeant Nkosi I mani kahle hi ku mhaka ya vona a yi ni le ku yi twisiseni kahle hi ku swi tikomba ngaku xihundla kahle xi la ka vona la xihundla hinkwaxo lexi hi nge le ku xi laveni laha tikweni xi la ka Sergeant Nkosi. A hi yingiseleni kandziyiso lowu u ya mahlweni hi twa ku Jerry Pushoga va ri u kwini Jerry ku endleke yini hi Jerry. A hi yingiseleni kandziyiso maybe hi ta twa something.
Your evidence was when General Sibiya forwarded this document inquiring about Mr. Nangi,
Yes.
he forwarded it to you so that you could give it to Mr. Matlala.
Yes.
Why would he want you to give it to Mr. Matlala if he knew that Mr. Matlala was an alleged kidnapper?
Thank you. I take it, even though I did not ask him then, but because of previously it was communicated between myself and General Sibiya together with Matlala that anything that he wants from Matlala or Matlala wants from him and he can't get hold of General Sibiya, it must go via me. So when General Sibiya sent it, that set document, I knew, he said it was for Mr. Matlala. So it was, he will be in better position to answer that in why did he send such document, but I can confirm it was from him. The instruction was to send it to Mr. Matlala.
Did he not say to you why this is being sent to why you are sending this to Mr. Matlala?
No, he didn't.
You didn't ask either.
Most of the time, I would not ask. I would just
Yo,
forward.
Whether they get along.
Namuntlha witness F u tikombi a nyiketa vumbhoni hi ndlela yo chava. A hi yingiseleni kandziyiso lowu mi twa leswi ni swi vulaka.
25 at close of business. Do you recall this email?
Yes, Commissioner.
Do you know why General Sibiya sent this journalist's query to you?
I think he wanted me to send to Mr. Matlala.
He wanted you to send it to Mr. Matlala.
That's correct.
Why would he want you to send it to Mr. Matlala?
For Mr. Matlala to see it, I think.
la evidence leader u vutisa question yo why a lava we u sendela Cat Madlanga laha na mina swi ni hlamarisaka hi ku munhu loyi a vulavulaka hi yena la i General Sibiya loyi na yena a nga na tona tinambara ta Cat Madlanga. Why a lava Sergeant Nkosi ku a sendela Cat Madlanga? Leswi swi hi yisa kwini? Swi hi yisa ku Sergeant Nkosi i xioxanyama. A hi yingisele nkandziyiso ya mahlweni.
Why would he want Mr. Matlala to see it?
I think General Sibiya would be in a better position to answer that, but the reason he sent it to me, it was based on that instruction that I must send to Mr. Matlala.
Does Mr. Matlala, to your knowledge, have any relationship with Ismail Nangi?
Can you repeat that question?
Does Mr. Matlala, to your knowledge, have any relationship with Ismail Nangi?
No, I don't know.
Loko mi yingisela kahle mi ta swi twa ku Sergeant Nkosi va endla i nga ri a va yi twangi question, va yi twini. Hakanyingi loko va nga swi tivi ku va ta hlamula yini va endla ndlela yo evidence leader a vutisa again question or a vutisa nakambe question. Sweswi evidence leader lawani u vutisa Nangi ku Matlala wa n'wi tiva Nangi na? A hi tweni ku i mani Nangi?
Do you know who Ismail Nangi is?
I heard about him. I don't know him personally. That is a Mozambican kingpin.
Now, you've been part of an anti-kidnapping task team. Is that not correct?
That's correct.
And is it in that context that you heard about Mr. Nangi?
No.
Where did you hear about Mr. Nangi?
I heard about Mr. Nangi when I started to work closely with Brigadier Ramama. Mr. Nangi's name was being discussed time and again, even not directly with me, that there is this person, people who were arrested there, Commissioner.
People in crime intelligence,
That's correct.
including General Kumalo.
Yes, because of his there. He's there, yes.
And you knew that General Kumalo was one of the people who had been arrested there.
That's correct. It was breaking news on that day.
Why did you send this picture to Mr. Motsumi?
Okay.
Loko hi va kha hi yingisela evidence leyi nyikiwaka la swi tikomba ungaku Sergeant Nkosi i mufambisi wa mahungu, hi yena a yisaka mahungu hala na hala. I mani Sergeant Nkosi? I phorisa? I xipayi? I pipi? I mani Sergeant Nkosi? Ni kombela mi commenta mi ni hlamuseta ku i mani Sergeant Nkosi. A hi yingiseleni mbulavulo ya mahlweni.
Explain it further. I did not send this picture specifically that because it is members of intelligence. Something that is happening, maybe is breaking news. There is something that is happening. I just sent. He sends.
But this is not sending a breaking news story. It's sending a picture of one person being taken into custody or being held in custody. What is the value of that picture in terms of breaking news?
To myself, it had no value, and I don't even think that it had any value to Mr. Mutumi. As you see there, he even asked, Kimang, who is that?
Let me pause here.
Because of if
Hi lexi xitori evidence leyi dalawani u vutisa Sergeant Nkosi ku I yini value ya xilo lexiya a nga xi senda lexi va nga lavi ku hi byela hina hi vonaka ku I yini va nga swi endla xihundla u ri a xi na value ka yena ene a xi na value ka loyi a nga n'wi sendela swi vula yini leswi na va sendelana njhani xilo xi nga ri na value ka vona hi ku ya hi mina a swi make sense a hi yingiseleni mbulavulo ya mahlweni
himself he does not know who is that.
But why did you send it to him then? If it would have no value to him.
And if it had no value to you too, that's how I understand you. Please respond to Mr. Jaskerson's question.
Commissioner, your question took me off. I don't know. Maybe
Maybe forget about my question then. Please respond to Mr.
Sergeant
Jaskerson's question.
Fannie was
Why would you send it to him
Yes,
if it had no value to
simple,
him?
simple.
I just sent it to him because if it was something
Leswi
that
swi
was
endliwa
flying
hikuva ku nga ri na ntiyiso ka nhlamulo leyi va lavaka ku yi
I
nyika
just
loko ko va na ntiyiso u nge kanakani ku nyika nhlamulo hi ku a swi na value swihi swa kona so swi va easy ku hlamula which means ku na lexi xi ri kona
I have to assume that you intended to communicate something to him by sending this picture to him. It's just a picture. It's no message, just a picture. What were you wanting to communicate to him?
nothing that I can remember of. Nothing.
Let's leave it for there unless... can I just go back?
Before you move on, can I just ask my question? Sergeant Nkosi, Mr. Mutumi is not a member of the SAPS,
sesibhalowe
so you have to have an
Yangena, sis.
explanation why you're sending him information about SAPS members being arrested. And these particular members, it's not good enough to say it was of no interest to you. It was of interest to you. That's why you're distributing it. It had a particular interest to you. You considered it to be of interest to Mr. Mutumi. That's why you're giving it to him, who is not a member of the SAPS. So this is not a random distribution. You have to share with us the reason why you thought he might or he will be interested in this. You didn't send this to other members of the SAPS. You didn't send it to Brigadier Macheng. You didn't send it to General Sintumule. You didn't can send it, you can tell us you sent it to them as well, but he's not in that category of people. He's an outsider. The only reason you would have sent it to him, and I put this to you, the only reason you would have sent it to him is because
lawan Commissioner Baloyi va vutisa Mr. Nkosi ku why va sendela Mr. Mutsumi swilo swi le xiphoriseni yena a nga ri nchumu exiphoriseni. Why va humesa information ye le xiphoriseni always va yisa ka Mutsumi a nga ri nchumu a xiphoriseni. A ni tshembi ku va ta hlamula Mr. Nkosi lawani a yingiseleni hi twa ku va ri yini Mr. Nkosi. Why va nyiketa Mutsumi information ya le xiphoriseni? A hi yingiseleni a hi yeni mahlweni hi vona ku va hlamula xinjhani.
you knew he would be interested in this story. Now the question is, why would he be interested in this story? The whole point of you sharing these WhatsApp screens, if you were not instructed by General Shibiri to forward them, and you just forwarded them out of your own initiative, then I'm suggesting to you that you were forwarding them because you were alerting them about the media is onto this, and secondly, the SAPS there's been a recommendation to General Masemula to terminate. You were alerting him about that. Do you have any comment?
Yes, Commissioner.
Yes.
I think in my position, even on the structural level of SAPS, I wouldn't even when the media comes, they would not even come even nearer to me, because of there is procurement, there is HR. The people who will be concerned and more worried are there in HR and procurement. So now taking out that issue of our contract, before the news could come to me, these people over there would have got that information. So I'm just taking off that thing that I was worried that our money is going now, or our tender is going now. No. I was just doing that innocently. This one sent me, and then I sent. But I had no interest at all.
Yes. You see, my suggestion, and maybe you assist me by what you're saying, that my suggestion is
More
based also
impossible.
on ordinarily you.
Question ya Commissioner Baloyi air is too much. Air is ngopfu. Mara answering ya Mr. Nkosi ya tika yi le ku va tikeleni swinene. Leswi swi hi komba yini na swi hi komba ku Mr. Nkosi a ni tivi ku ni nga va vitana yini, mara ni hleketa ku Mr. Nkosi i middleman ya le xiphoriseni na swigevenga allegedly. A yingiseleni ya mahlweni.
You have no interest. You should have no interest whatsoever in this. And when it comes to you from General Sibiya, unless he instructed you to forward it, it's something that you read and you forget about it. You pass it on because it's not in your station. It has nothing to do with you.
It's true.
But it comes through and you quite actively send it to different people. So it's either you are acting on instructions to forward it to other people because you have a direct instruction, or you know that's how it works. When General Sibiya gives you stuff, he's really saying to you, pass it on, and maybe you've said that when you say I was passing on a message. It's either that's what was happening, or it's I don't know if it's worse than that, which is, well, you were alerting them that the media is going to be reporting about this. Yes. That's what you're reporting, but also the contract is under threat. I'm suggesting it's one of the two. It's not as innocent as you saying, oh, I was just sharing. That's all there is. It's not.
But the commissioner, I understood a bit about what I just explained, that there was no way that media could come to know, or I would be worried that the contract is, the people who would be worried is those ones who approved that project.
Yes.
So,
okay more
to
ni
me,
phosa la
when
ni
it was
nyika
sent to me,
mavonelo
I
ma
thought because
mina
of previous
loko ha hi
communication
pfala
that I
video
take
leyiwani.
this one, send it to one.
Mavonelo ma mina eka corruption or vugevenga lebyi nga le ku endliweni hi maphorisa laha tikweni i ku loko hi suka la government ya hina ya endla yini hi vanhu lavawani va nge le ka SAPS. Mavonelo ma mina i ku a ku na nchumu xi nga ta cinca. Leswi kombaka i ku vanhu hinkwavo va thyakini laha tikweni, hinkwavo va thyakini. Leswi nga le ku humeleleni laha tikweni ra hina ra South Africa swa chavisa swinene. Vanhu lavawani va nga le ku endleni ka vugevenga ti-general leti hinkwato ku ya endleka yini hi vona, hi ku swi le rivaleni ku va na swigevenga endzeni ka vona. Ni kombela mi nyika mavonelo ma n'wina, mi subscribe, mi like. Danko.